Welcome to our channel, fellow adventurers. Today, we embark on an extraordinary journey to one of the world's most magnificent natural wonders, Niagara Falls. Join me as we dive into the rich history, awe-inspiring beauty, and captivating stories that surround this iconic destination. Niagara Falls, consisting of three impressive waterfalls, Horseshoe Falls, American Falls, and Bridal Veil Falls, commands attention with its raw power and grandeur. Its sheer volume of water cascading down towering cliffs is a testament to the remarkable forces of nature. Niagara Falls has captured the imagination of storytellers for centuries. From the legend of the Maid of the Mist to stories of daredevils who challenge the falls, this natural wonder has a rich tapestry of folklore that adds to its allure. Beyond the falls themselves, the Niagara region offers a wealth of experiences. Explore picturesque parks, such as Niagara Glen Nature Reserve, or delve into history at Old Fort Niagara. Discover charming towns, indulge in local cuisine, and witness the breathtaking beauty of the Niagara River. There are countless ways to immerse yourself in the splendor of Niagara Falls. Take a thrilling boat tour aboard the Maid of the Mist or Hornblower, venture to observation decks for stunning views, or stroll along the scenic walking trails for an up-close encounter with this natural masterpiece. The Niagara region offers more than just the falls. Explore the charming vineyards and wineries, experience the beauty of the Niagara escarpment, or enjoy outdoor adventures like hiking, biking, and birdwatching. There's something for every nature lover to discover. Preserving the beauty of Niagara Falls is crucial for future generations to enjoy. Learn about the ongoing conservation efforts, initiatives to protect the ecosystem, and the importance of responsible tourism in ensuring the longevity of this natural wonder. As our journey comes to an end, we hope you've been captivated by the sheer beauty and majesty of Niagara Falls. Its power, legends, and natural splendor create an experience that leaves a lasting impression. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow adventure seekers. Until next time, may your travels be filled with wonder and awe. Thank you for joining us on this virtual exploration of Niagara Falls. Until we meet again, farewell, and may your adventures be as breathtaking as Niagara's cascading waters.